In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Expedia account. This process is straightforward, but it's important to follow each step carefully to ensure everything goes smoothly. Let's get started. First, you'll want to sign into your account. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to Expedia.com. On the home page, look towards the upper right corner, where you'll see the option to log in. Click on it and enter your email and password to access your account. Once you're logged in, the next step is to access your account settings. To do this, look again toward the top right corner of the page where your profile name is displayed. Go ahead and click on your profile name. This action will bring up a drop-down menu with several options for you to choose from. In this menu, you should select Account. This will take you to your account management page. Now it's time to navigate to the settings. On the left-hand side of your account page, you'll see a vertical menu. Look down this menu until you find the option labeled Settings. Give it a click. This will bring you to a new page where various settings related to your account are listed. Scrolling through this page, you'll eventually reach the Account Management section. This is where you can initiate the account deletion process. Once here, you'll notice an option to Delete Account. Click on this link to begin the deletion procedure. At this point, Expedia might prompt you to complete a brief survey. It's completely up to you whether you'd like to fill it out. If you choose to do so, simply answer the questions and click Submit. If you'd rather not participate, you can bypass it entirely by selecting Skip to move on to the next step. The crucial part follows this decision. You'll be presented with some important information regarding what it means to delete your account. It's extremely vital that you read through this information carefully so that you fully understand the implications of permanently deleting your account. If you're sure you want to proceed, click on the option that says Permanently Delete Account. After selecting this option, a confirmation message will appear on your screen. This message acts as the final checkpoint in the process. When you're ready to complete the deletion, look for and click on the button that says Got it. This action effectively finalizes the process and your account will be deleted. And there you have it. Your Expedia account is now deleted. This should help clear up any confusion and free you from unwanted accounts. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any lingering questions, feel free to reach out for additional assistance.